Have you ever wondered why, in a world where material wealth is often the ultimate goal, those who possess it can still struggle to find genuine connection? It's a paradox that can seem baffling, yet it's a reality for many. Wealth, for all its benefits, can create a barrier to forming authentic bonds. The demands of a busy schedule, the pressure to maintain a specific image, these factors can lead to social isolation. Picture the millionaire who, surrounded by luxury, finds themselves alone because their wealth has inadvertently created a distance from others. Then there is the issue of suspicion. When wealth enters the picture, it can attract individuals with ulterior motives, causing a sense of paranoia. How can you tell if someone is interested in you or just your bank balance? This suspicion can further isolate individuals, making it even harder to form genuine connections. And let's not forget the power imbalance. Wealth can create a divide in relationships, making others feel hesitant to show their true selves or voice a differing opinion. Genuine connections are built on mutual respect and understanding, but this can be difficult to achieve when there's a perceived power differential. However, it's essential to remember that wealth is not the sole cause of loneliness. Individuals from all walks of life can struggle with forming close bonds. Still, the specific challenges of wealth can certainly exacerbate these underlying issues. Yet it's not all doom and gloom. Wealth doesn't have to be a barrier to meaningful relationships. Shared interests, passions, and values can help build genuine bonds that transcend financial differences. Activities driven by these passions, such as volunteering or joining clubs, can foster authentic connections. Embracing vulnerability can also play a crucial role in creating deeper connections. Allowing oneself to be known authentically, sharing struggles and aspirations can foster trust and intimacy. Philanthropy and community engagement can offer a sense of purpose and connection, creating bonds with those who share similar values. It's also vital to avoid stereotypes. Wealthy individuals are not a monolith. Their experiences are as diverse and varied as anyone else's. While wealth can present unique challenges, there are countless success stories of individuals with significant resources building strong and meaningful relationships. So, what's the key to connection? It's not about wealth or status. True connection thrives on shared experiences, vulnerability, and a genuine interest in the lives of others. By understanding the challenges and actively working to foster genuine connection, individuals with wealth can navigate the complexities of their social world and find fulfillment beyond the material. In conclusion, the paradox of wealth and connection is real, but it's not insurmountable. It's about looking beyond the bank balance and focusing on shared experiences, common values, and authentic engagement with others. It's about understanding that true connection isn't found in material wealth, but in the richness of genuine relationships.